Hello guys, as we all know the NEET PG dates have been announced and our NEET PG exam is soon coming up on the 12th of March 2022. So I hope all of you all have started revising, and the most important thing to remember while revising is the technique that you're following. Today I am going to give you 3 foolproof techniques that will help you revise and remember best for your exam. So let's get directly into it. What is the first technique? The first technique is to write down questions instead of answers. Okay, now I know a lot of you all have actually ended up making notes. You'll have ended up highlighting the stuff that you need to remember for your exam. And what happens is when you pass the pages, you will read the highlighted stuff, and by the time the chapter is over, you will forget the highlighted stuff. Okay, tomorrow or day after, if I ask you the same thing, you won't be able to answer it because you're passively thinking that whatever you're reading from the highlighted stuff is going directly into your head, but eventually it is not. Okay, so you need to follow a more active way of revising. What is this active way of revising? What you need to do is write down the question regarding whatever you are reading in the highlighted part. So for example, we are studying about esophagus, so you will write that in achalasia cardia you get bird beak appearance, in ca esophagus you get rat tail appearance. Okay, so you will write achalasia cardia and ca esophagus. Now, when you revise the next time, you are only going to look at these words and directly going to come up with the radiological appearance on barium swallow. So that is the answer that you're actively trying to recollect. So that is the way of active revision that I want you guys to do. Now, the second way of revising is, suppose by revising you remember what is the appearance of achalasia cardia. You're very sure that in the exam you will be able to reproduce bird beak appearance. But if you keep forgetting again and again what is CO esophagus appearance, so leave 2 lines above and write over here CA esophagus. Okay, when you write the CA esophagus over here, what do you get? For your next revision, you get the matter to revise. So whatever you have already consolidated in your head, this is already revised. You will not take it up for the next revision. For the next revision, you will directly go to the part above, which gives you the part that you tend to forget again and again. So that is your second way of revising, the second active technique of revising, which makes sure you cut down the time on your revision. The third effective technique, that is the best way, is to teach someone. So remember, whenever you teach someone, you will be able to reproduce the concept better. You will be able to understand the concept better. You teach one person, you will understand 50%. You teach 2 people, the next time you will understand even more concept, 75% of it. So if you feel that there is something that you are not able to remember, just catch hold of your colleague and make sure to teach them that topic, and you will be able to remember it for life. So those are my 3 effective techniques to help you guys revise, and I hope that you'll use this for your exam, and let's crack it.